Colin. Today is a day, and I can't believe it's already here. Cali and I cannot wait to see you. We have been through so much together, and I cannot wait to see what's next. You have always been someone so special to me, and someone I can always count on. I am so happy that you are soon going to be my husband.
Steph, I wish words could describe the love I have for you, or how much you mean to me. They say actions speak louder than words, but I promise you that every day I will make the best husband I can be to you. I push you when you need it, hold you when you need to be held, and laugh with you when you're having a bad day. Ooh. I will be the best I can be. Steph, I'm so happy I can call you my wife. Oh my God. I was so good. I can't wait to see what our future holds. I love you more than words you will ever know.
I am so proud of how much you have grown as a person, and how much you've made our family a priority. Cali is so lucky to have such an amazing, loving, funny, and kind daddy to cheer her on in her life. Avengers.
Colin and Stephanie have made their vows to each other in our presence and have confirmed their promises by the joining of hands and the exchange of rings. And so I, Shirley Kennedy, by the power vested in me by the Marriage Act, do hereby pronounce you Colin Paul Burnett and Stephanie Helen Carr to be married. Colin, you may kiss your beautiful bride.
and Stephanie. From the moment you were born, oh God.
Make it. Hold on, I'll take over.
You always dreamed of getting married and raising a family, and here you are today fulfilling that dream. You always say things happen for a reason. And I feel like you and Colin are meant to be together. And then there's Cali. I didn't know how great it would be to have a grandchild till the day she was born.
Aww. Look at my pretty girls. Hi, Cali.
She's so amazing, but I'm not surprised. Because she's part of both of you. Making memories is so important to both of you, and we are excited for your future together. Congratulations to the bride and groom.
Carousels of memory spinning around inside of me. I've never felt quite what I feel with you. I remember you were born, heaven shook with holy roar. Oh, time stood still, His joy was breaking through. You became the one. All creation sung. Every word of truth declared for you. You became the one. All creation sung. Every word of truth declared for you.
I hope you know how much you mean to us and how lucky we are to have you. We love you to the moon and back. Love always. Stephanie.
Hello, sweetie. Hi. Hi, Stephanie.